I'm Paula from memakeythings.com, and today I'm going to share with you how to personalize your own charm bracelet. So I have a charm bracelet here, and this is something that I just picked up from the craft store without any charms on it.